What is going on, guys? So I got a new light bar that's going on my service truck. It is a AgriEyes light bar. It's 48 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and take out its contents and check out how everything goes. So let's go ahead and open this up. Don't stab the light bar. Try opening it up as good as I can. There you go. And so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this light bar. It's got padding. Keeps everything going good. So let's go ahead. There's the instructions on how to install everything. And wiring. Everything's right there, which is perfect. I like this light bar. It was standing out to what other light bars look like. It does have its own little leg supports. And everything, so that's perfect right there. So give me 1 second and I'll get all that stuff removed. Alright, so here we have it. We got the light bar all unpacked and everything. We got these little brackets right here. These are meant to go on the sides of the vehicle in order for you to mount them right in place from the sides. There's a little instruction manual. One of the complaints that I saw on the reviews, I'll put the link in the description of where I got this light, how to order it and everything. But one of the complaints that I had, or that I saw, is that you have to wire this whole thing in. False advertising says that it shows that it has a plug for it. But no, these things are meant to be hardwired into the vehicle with switches. So with that being said, you have to hardwire this stuff in. So I believe the red and black is all power. The white is for activating the light, and the yellow is for data to change the flash pattern of the light bar. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this whole setup. You can see it's very thin. If I take my cell phone out, it is almost as thick as my phone, maybe a phone and a third thicker than my phone, but it's very slim, very sleek, very good design. And another complaint that I saw on the reviews is that these modules seem to fall off out of nowhere. But the only reason why it would fall off is that you have to double check on these little fasteners over here. You have to take a look at them and make sure that they aren't loose. None of the modules are gonna fall out. So you just take it, bend it back and forth, see if it doesn't move or if it does move, whatever the case may be. And this thing is labeled as front, so that's perfect right there. I like how it's labeled as front. And so this is the front of the light bar right here. So that's the front, this is the back. That's perfect. And it's wide enough, it can go right on top of my service truck. And it's got all the hardware here. So all I have to do is possibly just put these down in here and be able to mount them right in place. But with the mounting brackets right there, what I could do is open this up. If I can open it up. See, this thing is not even... There you go. If I can get it opened up. So if you're looking for a light bar, this is probably one of the best bets to get a light bar. And the prices, you know, it is a little bit costly. but it's much better. A little bit more expensive, but much better than going on any other website and everything. If you want something that is reliable, something that'll work, something bright and not cheap, this is probably the best bet. And it does have these brackets. They go right on top, and you just mount them right in place, and it seats right on top of the vehicle. I'm not going to drill a hole just yet for these wires because I do need to do some splicing and running these wires into the top of the vehicle and see how everything goes from there. And this seems pretty promising right here. I'm going to mount them in place, but I'm not going to be able to wire them just yet. But I'm going to do a temporary wiring on it and see how this whole system looks like with it powered on. So let's go ahead and jump to the part where the light is on the vehicle or on the service truck and see what it looks like and see how it operates. And another complaint that I had that I saw on Amazon is false advertising for not having a remote or a control box or a remote, which in the video shows that they have the remote to mess with the flash patterns and everything. But if you look at the pictures, it says that the remote for this light bar is not included. You have to buy the remote separately. So a lot of people are sitting there complaining about not having a remote, but you have to order it separately, which is $45 extra for the remote, which is not bad. Could be a lot worse, but I do have the remote. It is sitting right here. It is charged through USB-C, so that's pretty cool. And you just turn it on. The light bar is off. It shows your battery life on, or your battery percentage of your remote. And right now it says light bar is turned off. But if I turn it on and everything, everything shows what I need to put on my cruise 2, cruise, one or the other. And then it's got a little light on the back. But we're going to go ahead and put this on the service truck. We're not going to wire it in just yet, but we're going to go ahead and put it up on the service truck, run the wire through the back passenger door, do a temporary wiring on it, and see how everything looks on the service truck. So let's go outside and see how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm right outside my vehicle. I got my light bar installed up on top. As you can see, it is fully installed. I got it wired in accordingly. I'm gonna straighten up the wires too and see if I could get a little bit of the slack out. But it is mounted right in place. It's not going anywhere. It's stuck right in place. And it's really, really awesome. I'm really thinking about getting rid of the headliner lights, but I don't know. You be the judge of what I should do. If I should take the headliner lights off or not. But it is controlled by my little controller right down here. Let me turn that off. So it's controlled down here, so when I turn on all my lights, since I'm in this parking lot, nobody's gonna really care much. But I activate my lights, and as you can see, I got that going on. I got my lights down there. I got that light bar going right there. I got my side marker light right there. Right back here. So that's the 360 view of that and everything with that light bar up there. It's pretty awesome. It's more 360. And if I grab this remote, turn it on, it'll communicate to the light. So now it's off. And there's my cruise. Cruise is on. Side cruise is on. And I just set that one there, or I got this one here, which is my directional. And I could just control everything on this controller right here. And so if I just... Oh, that just shuts off the thing. And so when that's on, oh, that's SOS. There you go. And I could just control the light bar with this remote. It's very interesting to actually put on there. Now, a thing that someone posted on the reviews, let me turn the lights off, but someone that posted the review for the light bar is saying that the remote does not even work on the light bar. Well, here's the thing, whenever you start the pairing, that's when you wait for the pairing to start on the remote, and then you turn on the lights. That way the lights are, you know, or that way the module inside the light bar actually connects to the radio, or to the remote. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to the shop. I'm gonna try running the wires down, cleaning that up, sealing up the hole, and get everything going. So if anybody could give me some feedback, should I get rid of the headliner lights? Because it'll actually help me out with a little bit of what was it, a little bit of viewing action. Sorry, some people just rolled up, so I was like, what the heck is going on? But yeah, just let me know, should I get rid of the headliner lights, or keep it, or what do you think? Just let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below of your thoughts, opinions, concerns, suggestions, and as always, y'all have a great day, and God bless.